Alright, just a little bit more about the Excel interface. Down at the bottom right hand corner of your screen, this little area is called the status bar. And within the status bar, we can select different views. So right now we are currently in the normal view, or we can select the page layout view or the page break view. Now these views can also be accessed underneath the view tab, and we can go back to our normal view. Also down here we have a little zoom bar that we can zoom in and zoom out of our spreadsheet. And lastly, the status bar displays various information about our Excel spreadsheet. For example, let's say we want to put in some numbers here in the cell. So we're going to put in 15, 10, 5, and 30. Okay? Well, if we select these cells and come down here, our status bar automatically calculates the average, which is 15, and we select 4 cells, so it counts the number of cells we've selected, and it sums the cells that we selected. So adding all those together is 60. We can also customize the status bar to show even more info by right-clicking, and let's say we want to put the minimum and maximum down on our status bar. So now within our selected cells, it also calculates the minimum, which is 5, and the maximum, which is 30.